Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. This is Uniting Flames and I am back with another read. As I mentioned before, we will be looking at the Divine Feminine's energies and we'll see what's going on with the Divine Feminine here. Okay, so it is morning time. I'm not an early riser, but bear with me guys. That's why you might even hear my volume is a little bit low. Okay, let's see the energies of our Divine Feminine. Also, yes, I forgot to mention, it is Diwali season. We have crystal divas, we have crystal ganeshas, we have crystal divas in almost all kinds of crystals, rose quartz, green adventurine, amethyst, aquamarine, every single thing. If you want to place an order, do visit my website, which is www.unitingflames.com, and you might want to have a look at all the products present there. If you're not able to find any of the products that you're looking for specifically, then you might want to visit my Insta channel, because I do post a lot of products there, and if you don't find it on the website, you'll for sure find it on the Instagram channel. And yeah, I think that's all that I wanted to talk about. But I'll also show you a little bit of clip about the crystal divas and the crystal ganeshas and other decorative material like the stars we have during the Diwali times. We have the crystal stars, so just have a look at it and come back, and then we can start with the Divine Feminine's energy. I am waiting right here, and if till now you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and also like this video, and now you can simply just go have a look at it and come back. So you guys are back. Let me know in the comment section below how did you like the crystals, and if you want to place any of the orders, you can directly email me, or you can also contact me on WhatsApp through the website itself, because my number will be on the website. And now we will be looking at the Divine Feminine's energy. Let's see what our Divine Feminines are busy doing these days. Divine Feminine's energy, universe, please guide us. If you hear anything in the background, it's my puppy. She's snoring, sleeping right beside me. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. Yeah, in the Divine Feminine's life, things are working pretty fast, because the overall outcome that we see for Divine Feminines is the Tower card, in which a lot of in which things are moving on really quickly in your life. Even you're not able to understand what's going on. something happens one day and the other day something else happens, and then things are just changing. So that is how your life's been, divine feminines. In the recent past, I do see that divine feminines were busy in making some kind of decision about their love life. Could be in regards to this twin flame journey, could be in regards to this twin flame situation. And they actually made the judgment. This could be because they were not receiving any kind of reply from the divine masculines end, and divine feminines were thinking, why is that happening? Why am I not able to get any kind of response? Even the divine masculine is on the right path, why am I not getting any kind of response from his end? So that is why the divine feminines were a little bit confused. But with the high priest here, I do see that they were able to make the decision, whatever the decision was about. Yeah, they made the right decision. I mean, it simply says they made the right decision. Also in the recent past, divine feminines, there may be either you guys had an increase in your salary, or maybe you guys started doing something that is paying you more, or it is gonna happen in about the next week. So with the Six of Pentacles here, definitely you are working towards your finances, towards your points. So you will be getting a raise in your salary, or you would be receiving some kind of news that your money is increasing, or things like that. So definitely in terms of finances, I don't see any kind of problem as for now. In the current situation, we have the King of Swords here. Okay, with the Temperance card. You're pretty gentle. Like, you're pretty calm in your own self. You are trying to balance each and everything in your life. You're trying to balance all the situations that require your attention. You're trying to balance every single aspect of your life, be it related to your work, be it related to your career, your job, your love life. One thing where I do see you stuck is this divine masculine. You're simply not able to, I'm getting this feeling that you're not able to understand what is going on with divine masculine, even though you are listening to a lot of things that divine masculine is on the right path, divine masculine is this, divine masculine is doing that, he's going upgrading more spiritually, but you guys are confused. Maybe because in the past this thing has never happened, maybe because that could be one reason for sure. But in the current situation, I do see a happy home. I do see that you're pretty happy where you are. You are pretty happy. I'm not saying that you met divine masculine or something, but wherever you are, you feel pretty happy. Maybe you are good with whosoever you're living, could be your siblings, could be your parents. So everything's going well in your own life, particularly angels are around you. You yourself have become so much intuitive that you realize each and everything, why this thing is happening. And so you are making a balance between all the things except for this twin flame journey. In the recent future, I do see you guys putting a lot of efforts in a certain situation. I do see you working really hard. Some good news, fairly good news, or you can even say that maybe you have been fighting on this thing from quite a long time, so some good news is definitely coming your way. There could be arguments involved in this for sure, but this good news is definitely coming your way, divine feminines. Let's see what's divine feminine's energy in terms of this twin flame journey and in terms of divine masculine, because right now, oh, divine masculine, divine feminine is definitely thinking about divine masculine, and she's thinking about why all these delays are happening, why divine masculine is not responding. I'm sorry, the deck was upside down. Why divine masculine is not responding to when she's actually waiting on with her cup of love. She's happy. Wherever divine feminine, wherever you are at the moment, you guys are happy. You guys are living your life. You are not paying too much attention on the divine masculine. I do see there's an ending of a certain situation, and yeah, that situation could be because you guys are getting to know news, a very good news, and something is definitely ending there. Could be that you were fighting with an authoritative figure, with the government, in the public sector. Maybe you were fighting on something from a pretty long time that you have got victory for, and yes, arguments are involved because if you win, someone loses, so which means there will be arguments, and that is why I do see an ending of a certain situation, which I don't feel that it is for this is not a bad thing. This is something good. Even though this thing has ended, it has ended for good. And divine masculine, where yes, you guys are thinking about divine masculine, but if I say that you are completely involved and the whole time you're thinking about divine masculine, no, that is not what's happening. You are concerned about your finances, you're concerned about your spiritual awakening, you're concerned about your spiritual upgrading. Concerned in a way, I mean that you're working on all those things rather than just thinking about how I'm gonna approach divine masculine. How, yes, you are thinking that why is divine masculine not coming towards you, why is divine masculine not responding. In that case, the guidance from the universe that I was just shuffling the cards for, the guidance from the universe is that stay in your peace, stay contented, you have every single thing. Keep on reassessing the situation. You have to look at the situation again and again. If you are looking at the situation with the divine masculine like every single day, I would suggest you to get into it more often and see what the divine masculine is doing. If you're not in talking terms, then maybe you must be telepathically involved with your twin flame. There must be some way that you're involved, and whatever way that is, just trust that. Trust that whatever you're getting to know about the divine masculine, that is all true. So just try and reassess the situation more. Okay, let's see what's the guidance from the universe for our divine feminines. What the universe wants to guide our divine feminines. Two of Cups. do not juggle. You guys are juggling in two situations. I'm not saying you are juggling in two partners. These are two situations. Two situations could be your finances, your business, and divine masculine. So those could be two situations. I am not saying do not work, but you know it better what you are juggling between. Do not juggle, because this is not the time to juggle. This is absolutely not the time to juggle. When one person is on the right path, now you don't start juggling and start the whole cycle once again. No, because with the 7 of Cups here, yes, your cups are full. Yes, your but your cups are full with materialistic things. So you are juggling between love and the materialistic things. The materialistic things can go anytime away from you, but if you get divine masculine and you both move forward in this journey, that is going to stay for a much longer time. So whatever you're juggling between, I think most of the divine feminines have understood what I'm trying to tell you here. This is self-explanatory. This is absolutely amazing. Yes, you're concerned about your money, you're concerned about your finances, but do not take the wrong decisions just for the finances. You are enough to build your own empire. You don't need anybody to build your own empire. You don't need anybody to increase your finances. Okay? And once you understand that guidance from the universe, 2 of Cups is there. The universe is very directly telling you your marriage is there, your love is there, your divine masculine is there. Do not take the wrong decision at this point of time. Wait for your divine masculine. Wait for him. He is coming. He is on his way. He is on the right path. He is finally on the path of the spirituality. So understand, do not make the wrong choices at this point. And once you choose your divine masculine, there's absolutely no going back. You both can simply build an empire. That was my puppy who just snored. She's sleeping. Although it's early in the morning, it's way too early. I am not an early riser, because I do take out readings at night, and this is not the time I wake up. But I think divine feminine's energies were pretty disturbed, and they were about to make some wrong decisions, some wrong choices that they needed guidance for. So that was your guidance, divine feminines. Okay, if you're listening to this read is definitely for you. Do take the guidance from the read. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. If you need any kind of help, any kind of personal reads, you can visit my website again, www.unitingflames.com, or you can, or on the website only, there is a special page for twin flame guidance. So you can definitely have a look at that and see what is your situation, and you can contact me directly through the website itself. So this was our read for divine feminine's energy. Divine feminines, listen to the universe, connect with your angels, connect with your spirit guides. Everyone's there to help you. Your intuition is spot on. Now is not the time to run after materialistic things. Now is the time to just wait for your divine masculine while you are working on yourself, while you are working on building your own empire yourself, not with anybody else. So that was the read, and I will see you guys all in the next read. Till then, take care. Divine blessings are coming your way. Take care. Bye bye.